Welcome back to a Clan a Day podcast brought to you by bagtownclans.com. I'm your host, Colin MacDonald, and today we delve into the remarkable history of Clan Gray, a family whose origins weave through Norman conquests, Lowland peerage, and Highland lore. From their early appearances in the annals of Scottish history to their enduring cultural legacy, the Greys exemplify the resilience and adaptability that define Scotland's clans. The origins of the Grey name spark much debate. Some historians trace it to the French town of Gray in Haute-Saône, while others believe it derives from a nickname describing a pale or grey-haired individual. Whatever the case, the Greys emerge in Scotland's records in the 13th century, with Hugo de Gray settling in Roxburghshire. Hugo's descendants aligned themselves with King Robert the Bruce, earning lands in the Carse of Gowrie in recognition of their loyalty during the Wars of Independence. These holdings became a foundation for the clan's influence in the Lowlands. Sir Andrew Gray, a key figure in the early history of the clan, was granted the lands of Longforgan and Tayside as a reward for his service to the Scottish crown. By 1437, the family had risen to the peerage when Gray of Fowlis was created Lord Gray, marking the clan's growing stature. Over the years, the Lords Gray solidified their position as one of Scotland's prominent noble families. They built enduring landmarks such as Broughty Castle, Castle Huntly, and Kinfauns Castle. These estates symbolised the Greys' power and affluence, even as they faced the tumultuous challenges of Scottish politics. The Master of Gray, a title held by the eldest son of the 6th Lord Gray, played a pivotal role in Scottish diplomacy during the reign of James VI, acting as an intermediary between King James and Queen Elizabeth I. The Master of Gray navigated the fraught politics surrounding Mary, Queen of Scots. This delicate task underscored the family's ability to maintain influence at the highest levels of power, even in the face of considerable risk. The Greys were not confined to the Lowlands. In the Highlands, a branch of the clan took root in Sutherland, centred on Skibo Castle. Legend holds that a Grey laird fled north after a feud, establishing a new lineage connected to the lands of Skibo. While the Greys of Skibo flourished for centuries, their estate eventually passed out of the family's hands in 1745, a period of political upheaval following the Jacobite rebellion. Despite this loss, the Highland Greys remained a testament to the clan's adaptability and integration into Scotland's diverse cultural landscapes. Throughout their history, the Greys were fierce defenders of their land and loyal supporters of the crown. They fought in Scotland's battles for independence and served as soldiers and statesmen in later centuries. Renowned for their physical stature and martial prowess, Grey men often held prominent roles in the King's Guard. The clan also embraced a cultural heritage steeped in storytelling and song, keeping their history alive through generations. In the realm of literature, the name Gray carries weight. Thomas Gray, the poet celebrated for elegy written in a country churchyard, has been loosely connected to the Scottish Greys, though his lineage traces primarily to England. Within Scotland, the clan's legacy is carried forward by oral traditions, written histories, and the enduring landmarks they left behind. Today, Clan Gray's legacy is preserved through genealogical research and the efforts of the Clan Gray Society. Descendants around the world connect through their shared heritage, ensuring the clan's story continues to inspire. Though many of their ancestral estates have passed in other hands, the spirit of the Greys endures, a testament to their resilience and loyalty. The story of Clan Gray is one of adaptability and strength. From their Norman origins to their role in Scotland's turbulent history, the Greys have left an indelible mark on their homeland. Their legacy is a reminder of the importance of heritage, perseverance, and the bonds that unite a clan across generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of Clan Grey. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for another tale from Scotland's storied clans. I'm Colin MacDonald, and as always, go NRE and Bothar Leet.